How to fix this Epic Game account is already linked to a different social club account. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If you are getting such of the error notification in your Epic Games, there might be two reasons why. So first and foremost, the reason is that you are trying to link a console account to an Epic Game account. In that case, if it is already logged in into the similar console account, then you might have been facing such error. Next is you have logged in into the wrong console account. In that case, what you need to do is try logging in the sign in Epic Game option instead of the console option. Once you do so, just sign in with your Epic Game account. Then after you do so and it does not work, the next thing what you can do is launch an incognito window or an alternative browser to log in. Then check out the Epic Game account sign-in page. Once you do so, then enter your credential of your Epic Game. This should start working. If not, you need to check out the help and support of your Epic Games. Then follow the given option. In the case of wrong console type, you can just select on the icon for your console type and log in using the console. So that's it for the video as well. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.